My name is Maria Luna. This is my husband, Martin Luna. My husband got the phone number when he was driving by from our for sale sign. The reason of selling the house was to see if we're going to be able to get like a new house later on. The house is too big for us. It's just me and him. So it's a 4-bedroom and it's just me and him. So that's why we sold it, to see if we could like downsize it at least to a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom. Actually, Julio's very nice. Julio was very excellent. Julio did a great job. Actually, I didn't think we were gonna sell the house so quick. I didn't think the escrow was gonna close so quick, and I'm still in shock. Everything was done fast, and we're happy. Our house, it was sold in, oh my God, not even 2 months. Not even 2 months. Overall, I'm very happy with Rudy and Julio's team. I'll recommend him. In case any of my families, my brothers, my sisters would like to sell, I will gladly recommend him to Julio and Rudy.